show you how to make frittata omelette roll. So what do we need here? 5 large eggs, nice, here we go. Now let's see what we have here. Let me grab a spoon. And we have 2 tablespoons of orange pepper, fine chopped. 2 tablespoons of red pepper, fine chopped as well. And 2 tablespoons green pepper, fine chopped as well here. And I have about 1 tablespoon of chopped spinach. 2 cloves garlic, fine chop as well, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And let's flavor our eggs as well, not just put the eggs. So I'm gonna add a little orange zest here. Orange zest gives nice aroma, especially in the morning. Nice, here we go. And we're gonna add salt and pepper. Salt and pepper always for a taste. Don't follow what I put, just it's up to you. Some people like it salty, some people like less salt, so it's up to you. What I want to add here, I want to add some leek. Leek goes very well with this recipe here we're making. So slice it very, very thin, very fine. About 1 tablespoon. Nice, here we go. Now let's mix it. Lovely. Now your frying pan on medium low, and you can use oil or cooking spray. I'm gonna use a cooking spray here. Let's put first layer. Here you go. We don't want to put too much. We want to put just a little bit to keep it thin so we can roll it. Here you go. And the reason why we have it on a low heat, not on the high heat, because when we roll it, we want the vegetable to steam. We want like a little bit al dente, a little crunchy, to stay crunchy. We don't want it like fully cooked. Easy. So let's see here what we have. Nice, look at this. You see that? Now we are able to roll it. That's what we need. Grab it, slide all the way to the back. And another layer in the front. Make sure the eggs attach to each other, the cooked and the uncooked one, so you'll be able to roll it after and doesn't separate. Nice, here you go. Stop. Here we go. Now we have the last layer here. So let's fold it. Beautiful. That's what we need here. Let's pull it a little bit to the back. One more roll. Now we want to just brown it, just a little color on both sides. So let it be here for about 30 seconds. And now in the meantime, we're gonna put our frying pan here on a medium high because we want to saute our tomato and spinach. Let's put some oil. Olive oil would be good. Here you go. I have tricolor cherry tomatoes. I need a little salt and a little pepper. Let's check our omelette here. Beautiful, that's what we need right here. Now it's the omelette is ready to go. So I'm gonna turn off, and we're gonna rest it here for, before we slice it, we're gonna rest it for about like a minute and a half to 2 minutes. There you go, let it rest. The tomato, you don't have to fully cook it. It's just the just to saute them just a little bit. And now I have some spinach, handful of spinach. Spinach and tomato doesn't take time. Just as soon as you see the spinach die down, they're good to go, because you don't want to. There we go, turn off. Very nice, good to go. Let's get the plate ready. I'm going to start flaming ours, and now I need a sharp knife to slice our frittata omelette roll. Nice, look at it. I can see that, I can tell, and the aroma of the leek and the orange zest, it's amazing. Here we go. And we are at home cooking, so don't be afraid of using your hand. Nice. Here we go. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Nice and moist, not dry. Amazing. Look at that. Now what we need here, let's pick the spinach. On one side, some spinach on the other side. The grilling tomatoes on both sides here. You can use sauté tomato or just a raw tomato slice. It's your call, up to you. Me, I just want to serve the cherry tomatoes I have here. Voila, nice, look at this. Now I have some parsley here. I just wanna throw a couple. Voila, beautiful. Look at this. Your frittata omelette roll. And don't forget to like and subscribe so we can make you more great meal like this one. Enjoy. Take care.